Hello guys, so today we're gonna talk how to create and customize a website on Squarespace for printable art and posters. Business isn't quick. So as we know, Squarespace is a website building tool that makes it easy for anyone to create their own website without needing to know how to code. It offers templates and tools to help you design and customize your site. So the printable art and posters, maybe it's more with the with this art design here. You can choose this topic. uh, the type might be an online store and also services. You can choose one of these templates here, start with one of these here, or if you wanna build your own template. So let's get started from here and let's go. So here you can type your business name, type any name for printable art and posters business. So let's continue. Here you're gonna build your homepage. Build your homepage section by section, adding as many or as few sections as you need. So the first section, the intro section, must be an attractive section. So you have to try your best to make any section, or you have to try your best to make your website homepage looks better and attractive to attract people and customers. So that's it. Now let's move on. All the sections must be an attractive sections. So that's it. Now let's continue. Add the page to your site. Choose the color. You can choose any color you want or any color match with your business, and choose the font. Now wait a few seconds or a few minutes. So you can choose if you want to continue and describe something about your website, add the details about your website, or if you want to skip. I'm gonna skip this. So you can edit it from here if you want to edit. The first thing here, you can change this text here. So you can change, you can type anything attractive. For example, welcome to our site for printable art and posters, like this. You can change the color of the font here, and you can change also the text on this label. The text, for example, you can type whatever you like. And now let's move on to the background. So before we move on to the background, you can edit here the grid, the row count and the gap, the section, the fill screen, the height and the alignments. Here the background, you can select just a simple art, or if you want to use the image as a background. So I'm gonna use image. So select from library and go to the free image here and search on printable art and posters. So okay, I'm gonna choose this. You can choose any color, any image you like to put it here. Now let's move on to the site header. You can change the site title if you don't like it. Also you can upload the logo image, upload as a file, or select from library, and you can upload the mobile logo image, and you can customize the element section, the button, the text, and the social icon size, the style, and the cart icon size, whatever you like. So that's it. Now let's move on to the next section. Here you can change the wave intensity, you can customize it. You can also change the text size That's it. Now let's move on to the next. Here you have to first delete this image and add another one. So I'm gonna choose this, for example. The text, you can change it. You can make it a little bigger than this. Just click here and change the paragraph. You can change it like a heading like this. So use this space to talk about your shop and your products, how and where are they made, and what makes them unique. Now you can edit the background. You can choose just a simple art on the background. Also here just a simple art. Here you can change the social links. Now let's move on. Here instead of this image you can add, for example, a map about your business and about your address. So you can change the address here. You can add the business name and your address in the city, in the state, and the country. And also you can change the design of your map like this. Now you can edit the background, just a simple art. That's it. And the last section here, the footer section, also just select the background, just a simple art. You can here change the location and the hours and the contact. After this, now you can change the view if you want to make it like a mobile view as you like. Also you can change or customize the site styles, the fonts and the colors, the animations and the spacing. So after you're done from customizing your website, you can save this and go to the settings section and add the product to your inventory and add the way to get paid and choose the subscription plan. And the last step is publish your website and start selling. So that's it for today. That's how to customize your site on Squarespace for Arch and Printable Arch and Posters business easy and quick. That's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end and see you in the next video.